Hi everybody, not gonna waste your time. This is the stuff you'll need to fix your car. Alright? To fill these little dents, scratches, and chips. Chipped paint. Chipped. It's chipped. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do this the easy way. Right? You can use a Sharpie. I know this sounds crazy, but dealers do it. Find the right color Sharpie if you can. You can get this on Amazon. This scratch chip repair kit. Right? You can get this on Amazon. I got this at a Walmart for $10. Make sure you get the right color though. Or of course you can use the spray paint bottle. Get a cotton swab, dip it in there, boom, 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 you're done. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wash the car. You're gonna clean these dents out. Get all the dust, debris out of there. Alright, watch. This is how it's done, people. This is how it's done. You can do this the hard way. You can sand it, you can prime it, you can paint it, right? Whatever. But then it's still not going to look even. It's going to look messed up unless you paint the whole car. So this is the best way to go about it, especially if you have a black car, right, or a gray car. Those are the easy colors to fill in, right? And if the dent or the chip is this small, don't worry about it. Right? Can you guys see that? Right there. Here we go. Here we go. Not gonna waste your time. All right, come on. Now it's not looking. Hold up. Okay. Show you something. I'll show you something real quick. Hold up. My phone not cooperating. All right. Let me get it right here. Here we go. Here we go. You see that? Look at that. That's beautiful. And once it dries, when it dries, it's gonna look exactly. Right now it looks a little darker, but it's gonna look beautiful once it dries. Okay. And it's good. It's good for your car too. Good luck. God bless. Bye.